Morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, a little after 8:30, and this is video number 296, your pre-opening comment for today. And just a reminder, if you like the work, please hit the subscribe button. Well, we've really been whipped around since yesterday's close when Peter Navarro said that the China deal was dead. Futures were down. As a matter of fact, last night futures on the Dow were down as much as 400. Right now, they're showing a strong rally and an open of up 380 Dow points. This is based on Mr. Trump saying, no, that's not true. The deal is still intact. So you decide which one of these idiots you want to believe. Europe and Asia were both higher. There's been some better numbers out of Japan, although the Japan manufacturing PMI was better than expected. It was also the 14th month of contraction in a row. So better, but not good. In Australia, we had better PMI numbers and better inflation numbers. And basically, Europe and the Far East were both higher. What's also higher today is oil. As you can see on the chart, we're continuing to move higher from this consolidation after the breakout. It's getting a little long in the tooth for futures. It's 4 days in a row. So there is a possibility we can, maybe come back and test this $40 area. But right now at 41.40, we're up another 67 cents. The other chart that I wanted to show you is the gold. And as you know, that looked very strong yesterday, but sold off in the electronic session after the open outcry session. So today we have so far an inside day, generally thought to be inconsequential. What would be consequential is if it broke either yesterday's low or yesterday's high. We're certainly rooting for the high, and this would in fact be a new high close for the price of gold. We have, as I said, Dow up about 380, NASDAQ up about 80, S&P up about 37. There's not a lot to talk about in the airlines and cruise lines. Airlines in general are slightly higher, as are the cruise lines, but it gets pretty boring after a while, seeing down $1.50 and then up 48 cents. The only one that is continuing to be weak is American Airlines. It's down a little over $1 right now. Boeing is up almost $3. I just want to mention that they're talking about the airlines continuing to raise money, both debt and equity. And I want to point out that this is not a great situation. They're not raising money in order to expand. They're raising money just to survive until things get back on track. That's going to leave a very diluted and very debt-heavy industry. I actually think they'd be better off chaptering and starting all over again. On other stocks that are pretty much worthless and people are still trading them, we have Luckin Coffee, a complete fraud. Yesterday closing down $3 at 318, down 64 cents, and today trading at 275, down another 45 cents. And of course, we have Hertz, which is trading now at $1.27, down 10% or 13 cents. So I'm looking for a strong open but not sure considering how many days in a row we've been up in the NASDAQ. Of course, that's been in big part Apple and Microsoft both having new record highs, and UBS coming out this morning and raising their price target on Apple from 335 up to 400. All right, everyone, have a good day and be careful out there.